Welcome to Maths online class, continuing arithmetic progression. In this session, we are doing some more problems on the concept sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression. Now, see this problem. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP 63. And the sum of its next 7 terms is 161. So this is 161. Find the sum of the 28th term of this AP. Find the sum of 28th term of this AP. So 28th term. Find the 28th, not the sum. Find the 28th term. Find the 28th term of this AP. Okay, this is the question. Now look at this. What they given. So we know that when the terms are 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms or 6 terms, we are taking the terms, AP terms in different ways. Now in this, the sum of first 7 terms and the sum of next 7 terms. So it means that totally there are 14 terms are there. There are 14 terms. Then sum of 14 terms. Sum of 14 terms is nothing but 63 plus 161, that is equal to 3 plus 1, 4, 6 plus 2 is 2, 12, 2, 1 and 2. This is what sum of 14 terms. First 14 terms is 224. So this is a one part, we should take it now. Now let us take the first term and common difference of the AP. Solution. Let the first term and common difference of the AP. Common difference of the AP are A and D respectively. A and D respectively. Clear? First term you should take like this. First term is A and common difference is D. Now according to the statement, the first statement, what is that? Sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 63. So I am writing this according to S1. So it means that according to statement 1, what it is given? S7 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us take this one, Sn. Then I am writing here S7. So n is equal to 7, a is a only, d is d only. S7 is given by 63. First you write down like this. Now S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. N means 7 minus 1 into d. Now S7 is 63 equals 7 by 2, or you can shift this 7 here. 7 1 by 2 into, here is 2a plus 6d. So here if you want you can write down like this only, 7, then 63 equals 7 by 2 into, take it 2 common, left out is a plus 3d. Now 2 get cancelled. Then so here next is this one, 63 63 by 7 is equal to, see, this 7 comes down. 63 by 7 is equal to A plus 3D. Clear? Now, 7 ones are 7 nines are. Therefore, A plus 3D is equal to 9. So, call this as equation number 1. So, first let the first term and common difference of the AP are A and D respectively. According to statement 1, Sn equals n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute the value of n is equal to 7, A is equal to A, D is equal to D, and S7 is 63. So when you substitute and simplify, you will get A plus 3D is equal to 9. Now let us take, I will write this afterwards, right? Now second statement, according to S2. So now here you can take sum of its next 7 terms. So according to statement 2 and according to statement 1, what is that? 7 term S7 plus S7 is equal to how much? 63 plus 161. That is S14 is equal to 4, 2, 2, 224. Now apply this. S14 means Sn or S14 is equal to 14 by 2 into 2A plus 14 minus 1 into D. Now S14 is 2, 2, 4, 7, 2s equals 2A plus 13D. Now here this 2, when you shift this, 224 by 2 equals 2A plus 13D. Now 2 7s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 112. Now 2A plus 13D is equal to 112. Now call this as equation number 2. Now next thing is what? Take this one, equation 1. This equation, convert that in terms of A. Here A is equal to 9 minus 3D. So we are familiar with the linear equations in two variables, how to solve that. So take this one. Now 2, A value is 9 minus 3D plus 13D is equal to 112. Now 2 9s are 18 minus 6D plus 13D is equal to 112. Now 13D 7D 6D means 7D is equal to 112 minus 18. Then D is equal to, now 10 minus 2 4, and here is how much this? 10 minus 1 is 9. Then 7D is 94. Then D is equal to, somewhere is around here. First term is 63. Next 7 term is 161. Total is 224. So S14 is 224. Okay. Now here is a wrong. Here this is 2 7s are 14. Okay. So that's why here we are getting the wrong one. Here this is 224 by 7. 7 3s are 21, 1, 7 2s are 14, 32. Okay, here is 32. Now 32, 32, 32 minus 18. Now 4, 1. Then D is equal to 14 by 2, 14 by 7 equals 2. D value is 2. Now look at once again. See, according to statement 2 and 1, or you can take it statement 1 and 2. First 7 term plus 7 term, that means totally 14 terms. Sum of 14 terms is 63 plus 161, that is 224. Now here is, you can take a 2. S14, when you apply the formula in place of n, take a 14, then the second equation you are getting like this: 32 is equal to 2a plus 13d, right? So 2 times is there, you can cancel 1. So this is equation 2. Now from this, a is equal to 9 minus 3d. So substitute a value 9 minus 3d here, then 13d, and simplifying, d is equal to 2. Clear? Now after finding d, now substitute that value here, a. So here is, I am rubbing this. Now a is equal to 9 minus 3d, then 9 minus 3 of 2, that is 9 minus 6 is 3. A is equal to 3. Clear? Now after knowing this, d is equal to 2 and n is equal to 28. Now a 28 is equal to a plus 27d. They asked to find out the 28th term. They are not asked the sum to 28, they asked the 28th term is how much. So 3 plus 27 into 2. 3 plus 2 7s are 14, 154. Then this is 54 plus 3, 57. So this is what? 28th term is 57. Clear? So repeat ಮಾಡಿ videos ಅನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು 2 ಸಾರಿ 3 ಸಾರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಆನಂತರ 2 ಸಾರಿ ನೀವು 2 3 ಸಾರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Now see the second one. The fourth term of an AP is twice its 8th term and its 6th term is minus 8. Then find the sum of its first 20 terms. So to find the first 20 terms, we need A, D and N. See, N is 20. So now what we want? We want A value and D value. That you should find out by using this statement and this statement. Okay. Now first one, solution according to statement 1. What is given? The 14th term of an AP, A14, is equal to twice of A8. See, this is the statement. 14th term of an AP is equal to twice the 8th term. See, this is the statement. Now, on simplifying this, A plus 70 is equal to 2 into A plus, here is 17D and here is 7D. Clear? Now, A plus 17d is equal to 2a plus 14d. Now shift all these things to that side. Then 2a plus minus a, this shifting that, then here this shifting, plus 14d minus 17d is equal to 0. Here one side becomes 0. Then 2a minus a is a, plus 14 minus 17 is minus 3d is equal to 0. Call this as equation number 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. 14 term of an AP is equal to twice the 8th term. Now this is a plus 17d. 2 into a 8 means a plus 70. Now a plus 17d equals 2a plus multiplying this 14d. Then shift all these things to greater side. Then it becomes 2a minus a plus 14d minus 17d equals 0. So a minus 3d is equal to 0. Now after this, let us take the second statement here according to statement 2. If its sixth term is minus 8, that means a6 is equal to minus 8. Clear? Now a plus 5d is equal to minus 8. So equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, it means solving equation 1 and equation 2, then what it becomes? A plus 5d is equal to minus 8. Then a minus 3d is equal to 0. So subtraction. So it becomes 0. Then 8d is equal to minus 8. Right. Then d is equal to minus 8 by plus 8 equals minus 1. D value is minus 1. D value is minus 1. Clear? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So ಇದು first step, ಇದು second step. Now I'm continuing here the third step. So ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ a minus 3 of minus 1 equals 0. Then a plus 3 equals 0. A value is minus 3. ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಸೊ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ, d ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿರೋದೇನೋ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 20 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ 20 is equal to 20 by 2 into 2 into a value is minus 3 plus n value is 20 minus 1, d value is minus 1. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದು ನನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, directly I am substituting the values. Okay, now 2 ones are 2 tens are. So S20 is equal to 10 into minus 6 plus 19 into minus 1. 20 minus 1 is 19. Here is minus 1. Then this is 10 into minus 6 minus 19 is 10 minus 25 into this is. Don't forget to put the bracket, otherwise what it becomes 10 minus 25, then you will get a minus 15 answer, but this is into. So plus into minus is minus, 25 tens are 250. So first 20 terms of the AP is 250. Clear? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? Now, after this, I move on to another question. Now, in the previous problem, we got the wrong answer because here, see the previous problem only. A14 is equal to A plus 13D. Okay. Now 14 term is twice its 8th term. A14 is equal to twice of A8. Right. Then now here A14 is equal to 2 into A plus 7D. Now A plus 14D is equal to 2A plus, here is 13D, 14D. Now shifting all this side, 2A minus A plus 14D minus 13D is equal to 0. Then 2A minus A is 1A. 14 minus 13 is plus D is equal to 0. This is the first one. Then second one is A6 is equal to 6th term of an AP is how much? Minus 8. Minus 8. Then A plus 5D is equal to minus 8. Now this is 1 and this is 2. Now put this one down. A plus D is equal to 0. Now subtraction, it becomes cancel. Then this is 4D is equal to minus 8 and D is equal to minus 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So D value is equal to minus 2. So this is a correction of the second problem. It is wrong. Just I am repeating that. Go through this. Then next is what? Put this value here. A is equal to minus D. Then A is equal to minus of minus 2. A value is 2. Then what they asked? They asked the first 20 terms. 20 terms or 28 terms? 20 terms. First 20 terms. Now A is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 2. N is equal to 20. Now yes, 20 equals 20 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 20 minus 1 into minus 2. Here be careful. D is minus 2, so put the bracket. Now 2 ones are 2, 10s are 20. So this is 10 into 2 twos are 4 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 of minus 2. So 10 into 4 minus 38. Is it right? 38. Right. Now this is 10 into minus 34. Then minus 340. Yes, 20 is minus 340. Clear? This is one correction. You should note down that. Okay, don't copy the previous one. Clear? See the third one. The sum of 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of its 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the sum of its first 10 terms. See, this problem we already solved in the terms of an AP. Fourth term, 10th term, like that. The same questions we are did now. In the same way, we should write down this. Sum of fourth and eighth terms of an AP. That means here we should write like this. A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. And fourth term means A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. Then it becomes 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Then dividing by 2, we will get A plus 5D is equal to 12. So equation 1. See, fourth term and eighth term. Sum of fourth term. Fourth term is A4 and eighth term is A8 equals 24. Now A plus 3D plus A plus 7D equals 24. So fourth term ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ, eighth term ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ, ಅವೆರಡನ್ನು add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 24 ಇದೆ. That we will do like this. Now next up, this is the first part. Then second part is similar to this. A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Now A6 is A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 44. Then 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ದು A6 ಗೆ A plus 5D ಬರ್ದಿದೆ, A10 ಗೆ A plus 9D ಬರ್ದಿದೆ, equals 44 ಆಯ್ತು. Here 1A plus 1A is 2A plus 9 plus 5 is 14D is equal to 44. Then again dividing by 2, we will get A plus 7D is equal to 22. Call this equation number 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Clear this? Now from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, so write down the first one. A plus 5D is equal to 12. Then A plus 7D is equal to 22. So subtraction ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now minus 2D is equal to minus 10. Then D is equal to minus 10 by minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled. 2 5s are 10. D value is 5. Now substitute the D value in any one of this equation. Then A plus 5 of 5 equals 12. Then A is equal to 12 minus 25. A is equal to minus 13. So A value we know that, D value also we know that. Now find the sum of first 10 terms. First 10 terms. That means N is equal to 10, A is equal to minus 13, D is equal to 5. Then S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2 of minus 13 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. So this is 5 into minus 26 plus 9 into 5. Now 5 into minus 26 plus 9 5s are 45. Now this is 5 into 10 minus 9, 3 minus 2 is 1. Clear this? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? 45 ನಲ್ಲಿ 26 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 19. Clear? Now 5 9s are 45. 4 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9 95. So the sum of first 10 terms of the AP is how much? 95. So here, are you understood this? First take the terms A4, A8. Don't write down that as n by 4, 4 by 2 plus 2a. If you are doing that also, you will get the same answer. Okay, so that is a lengthy one. Don't do that one. Clear? Now in this problem, in an AP of 50 terms, the sum of first 10 terms is 210. Sum of first 10 terms is 210, and the sum of its last 15 terms. So here is one thing left out. Last 15 terms is 2565. Find the AP. Now to find AP, we need A and D. Okay, for that, so I am reading once again. In an AP of 50 terms, on the AP nalli 50 term ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ the sum of first 10 terms, ಮೊದಲ 10 sum ಎಷ್ಟು 210, ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರ ಸಮ್ 2565, 2565. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ AP ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So our aim is to find out A and D here. Okay, now let A and D are the first term and common difference. First term and common difference of the AP. Common difference of the AP. So first we should write like this. A is the first term, D is the common difference. Now first is given sum of first 10 terms. So first this one, S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into D. So yavaga A value D value ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. When we have to find out A and D, in the formula keep A and D as it is only, just you are substituting the value of n, right? Now 2 ones are 2 5s are. So S10 is given, that is 210 by 5, you can write it, equals 2a plus 9d. Now 5 ones are 5 4s are 20, and 1 carry 10, 5 2s are 10. Therefore first equation becomes 2a plus 9d is equal to 42. So call this as equation number 1. Now next is first 10 terms is 210, leave it, and the sum of its last 15 terms. Last 15 terms is 2565. So totally how many terms are there? 50 terms are there. 50 term ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದಿನ 35 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ when you subtract sum of 50 terms from sum of the 35 terms from the sum of 15 terms, we will get the last 15 terms answer. So I am writing this according to statement 2. So what you can write is S50 minus S35 is equal to sum of last 15 terms. See, look at this. ಇದೊಂದು ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, right? So after writing this, you just apply the formula 50 by 2 into 2a plus I am writing 50 minus 1 is 49d, okay, minus 35 by 2 into 2a plus 35 minus 1 34d is equal to sum of its last 15 terms is given 2565 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಇದು 50 ಟರ್ಮ್ಗಳ ಸಮ್ ಇಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 35 ಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ 35 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಸಮ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 15 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು 2 1s are 2 25s are. Here is 25 2s are 50a plus 25 into 9, 25 4s are 100, 25 4s are 100, 200, 225, 5, 22, 400, 25 4s are 100, 122. D is equal to, minus 35 by 2 into, from this and this 2 is taken common, left out is a plus 17d equals 2565. Now here 2 get cancelled. 50a plus 1225d minus 35 into a 35a plus, now 35 into 17, minus into plus is minus, so 35 into 17, 35 3 7 3s are 21, 3 24 and 35, this is 595. Is it clear? ಇದು 3 2 21 24 35 5, so 595d. Okay, now is equal to 2565. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Understood? Now here 50 and minus 35 means 15a. Here subtract this, 1225, 595, 5 minus 5 is 0, 10 minus 9 is 1 plus 2 is 3, 10 minus 5 is 5, 530 minus 530d equals 2565. Now from 5 table you can simplify the 5 3s are minus 5 10s are 50, 30, right? 5 6s are 30, d equals 5 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Clear? So you got 3a minus 106b is equal to 513. 630d, 15a plus this is, so something wrong, 1225, right? 595, sorry, 0 10, here is 11, 11 minus 5 is 6, so 630, 5 1s are 5, 1, 5 2s are 10, 3, 126d. Clear? Okay, again from 3 table, a minus, sorry, a plus 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are equals 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 3 1s are. Clear this? ನೋಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 I am writing here from 1 and 2. So ಎರಡು simultaneous equation ಅನ್ನ you know how to solve that. According to that you do that one, you will get a is equal to 3, a is 3 and d is equal to 4. ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು AP, they asked AP is, first one is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 15, etc. etc. This is the required AP. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? So see that one and work out once or twice, you will get the answer.